So me say, yeah, wow, yeah. I said straight up hustling, city you be bustling. What you gonna do? Get a piece of the core. I said gunshots flying, baby mama's crying. What you gonna do? Get a piece of the core. I said no drug smuggling, dealers they be juggling. What you gonna do? Get a piece of the core.
Look me in my face, I ain't got no worries. No worries. No worries. You see my right there, right there. We ain't got no worries. You see
Sexy money independent ladies.
Right, RAMATV is your boy The Done, Viral Sound System in the house, HyBryd Entertainment in the house, and of course RAMATV. Big up man like Colonel, one and only RAMATV. Right now we're outside the school game, Guilty Pleasures. I don't know if you all saw the ad produced by RAMATV, HyBryd Entertainment, but the shit was mad. We have Viral Sound System on the cruise as well. Everybody out here, they're getting ready, they're getting prepared, there's coolers. I see a man with about 5 bottles and he say, no, we're going to get loose like loose. Don't know. Bless.
Watching the pretty girl swag team. This is what I study here.
And me with her bips, smooches, and that's 2 chains.
Look at you. Now look at this.
Oh, my little rhythm boy.
Look on the sun now raising up, on the countdown waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up. The girl them a wind up slow, we got the drinks them in a Michael. We gonna party all night. 24 parties we hit in a room. Tonight are the very last show. Before we are out on the road, the girl them a release the roof. So let me see your hands up so, everybody know put your hands up so. If you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road.
Players, pimps, hoes, nice heels, ladies. Right now we are on the game, Guilty Pleasures. Ready to take off. As you can see, everybody that's priming up. Only watch out because it's gonna be real pandemonium.
Wait.
RAMATV.
Talk about the strip pole though, man.
Strip pole?
I ain't never seen no strip pole.
Let's tell you something. Treasure Queen come like the office. Harbour Master come like the office. Right now we are on the Treasure Queen and it's about stripper pole. We never see that yet. We ain't see no stripper pole yet, so we know things gonna get real man later, right?
Guilty pleasures. Let me know. Party time.
If down on pressure, you don't even know. If down on Britney, you don't even know. Just hand me your cup, you don't even know. I came up from the I'll tell you how.
Nothing, boy.
Let's try one more time. This thing like it work. and see what they have. They have Tennessee, they have Matador, Red Wine, they have all kind of alleys. So we are the big up M&D, marketing and distribution, providing the drinks. Them shot glasses, the biggest shot glasses I've ever seen in my life.
Never leave me lonely. You make me feel like a king, my queen, the one for me. Yes, you were sent for me. An inspiration, me motivation, lady. You make me free, like you are my destiny, and you fulfill my fantasy. Like the days you want me, lady. Anytime me free, yes, you always there for me. This your one and a mystery. How you keep on blessing me? You are my queen, my everything, the reason why me sing. Yes, you are the only, never leave me lonely. You make me feel like a king, my queen, the one for me. Yes, you were sent for me, an inspiration, me motivation, lady.
Romantics at that. You don't know romantic. Say taking two. This man had to play music, you know, don't get too drunk.
Chinese on the boulevard crew there on the board. Big up on yourself, man. Make some noise. On the independent machine. Big up all the independent ladies on the board right now. Make some noise. Get up that show for the ladies. Who know you're not begging no man for nothing at all. Make some noise. You have money in your pocket right now. You see that tune that I play? Lord, there's no place better than Trinidad and Tobago. Already, right? Give me the tune, man, ding dong. Take me let's go. Look, you teach me how to dance. You know why? Cause all the girls love me. All I need is a big that's super long. And for you to back it up and touch it. Put it all over the front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you with that money ride. Ain't nobody kidding with my bro from one side. He go out home, he do that never touch. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I need time boogie. I show my moves when everybody try to do it. I live for the shit and all the ladies try to split it. Now you just do you. Put up like I'm inside this. Cover that bottom when down the dead. Don't answer to this one. What's up,
Question, right? They won't be asking them. Lovely game.
Let's go!
Taking over me, taking over my soul. It's the kind of feeling that I cannot control. I say I'm for you. I want everybody just in me alone. When you see me, it's a part of me. Just stay out of the way, leave me alone. My head is on mess. I feel like possessed. 'Cause I just don't do what they say.
All the people who watch Carnival tomorrow right now, what's your down in here? Everyone know what's Carnival is tomorrow? Ready, big up yourself.
Everybody let me see you clap your hands. Let me see you clap your hands.
Let's say happy birthday, ready, happy birthday.
Clap your hands.
Big up on the show, man.
As the selector ding dong dong play, I just start catching fever. When the doctor come, the young was there. Tell me why the wine is not big. They tell me who jumps and they don't join. Maybe selector ding dong go with me. But every time I hear the police listen on, I'm thinking this is God coming to take me to the next venue. But ding dong performance special. I wanna see a picture in part of me. Thinking it's my godless. In a big dong truck passing with ding dong on it. No, ding dong going and forgot the place. Ding ding dong. Latino, gal, Mexican, no Colombian, no Portuguese, American, no.
Right, one.
Alright, finally. We get through.
I don't even feel it take too long.
Come on, it's about that time. Shout out to my good friend Timo. Sammy to the whole team. Blondie, where are you? You want to check me now? Well, guess what up? DJ Dean, it's about that time. We're going to treat today like a Sunday, even though today is Friday. When everybody respect Mojo Manton as a wicked artist now, put up your hands in the air. What about your Manton fans there now?
so I really generous with us. So how much do I have? I see two in the video. Yeah, that's two on the outside.
No.
Let me ask you. Hate the player or hate the game? Hate the game. Hate the game, why?
Because when you play the game, you might get catch. There we have it.
Smoke marijuana at least once in a lifetime. If you know you smoke marijuana at least one time in your life, I'm only good cause you never home. I don't know what I would do without you. I'm a boss every day I'm home. I goes deep in that Marino. She wanna be the one to my own single. Break it apart, no future. Talking about caught up in all these lights and cameras. But look what that did that hammer. God damn it, I am so time and no time. This all of y'all season is more notes and burgundies. Shot a Riesling. Some hustles I don't find. First thing I find. What's the plan to my this morning's called over skies. Damn, I know you would have really feel so nice last spot. I don't wanna let you out in no hurry. Oh no, this morning's called over skies. Damn, I know you would have really feel so nice last spot. I don't wanna let you go, let you out in no hurry.
Now, ladies, if you're comfortable in the back shot position, can you all just bend over for me, please? Last two for Sunday. Every girl, wait. Pretty girls, fuck Sunday. Look up for game season 3. We're going out loud with game season 3, right? People look for more information. Committee sign everyone's here.
Hi, the game was very good. So it is competition with Blondie and everyone. We had a wonderful time. I'll be coming back.
So what's up? Talk to me.
For season 3, yo.
That's
We
it.
bad pretty girls swap we did. Love ya.
You seen that first guy who went up on the pole and fell? Did you see the first guy who went on the pole and fell? Oh my God.